Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make hotel watery coconut chutney at your home. So for this recipe, what you need, here I have some fresh coconut and I'm going to put this one in the blender. And in this, I'm going to add the chutney dal. So here I'm adding this chutney dal into this blender along with the coconut, and I'm going to add 2 to 3 green chilies. That is up to your choice how much spice you want in your coconut chutney. So here I added 4 green chilies, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some water into this blender. So here I'm adding some water and I'm going to grind this one as a very smooth paste. So in this chutney, I'm adding some salt as per our taste, how much salt we want. So after adding the salt, we have to grind this for 1 minute. So I'm going to add this coconut chutney into this. So we are making the hotel watery coconut chutney, guys. So the chutney should not be thick, it should be very thin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add lot of water into this. So I'm going to add 1 glass of water. So here I'm adding this much of water into this, and I'm going to mix all these things together. So this is how they make in the hotel, guys. If you want to add garlic, you can add garlic in this chutney when you are grinding. So without tempering, the chutney is incomplete, guys. So I'm going to do the tempering for the coconut chutney. So here I'm adding this tempering into this, and we have to mix this well. So the coconut chutney is ready, guys. If you want to add less water, you can add less water, but this is how they make it in the hotel, because many people they will come, so they can't make thick, so that's why they are making thin chutney. So today we are going to have this chutney with the upma. So I'm adding